Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your FAQ content and choosing where to insert code. First, open Appearance right arrow theme file editor or your child theme functions. PHP, make a backup. Next, convert each question and answer into JSON LD objects, escaping quotes and line breaks so the JSON stays valid. Once done, wrap the array in a script tag with type applications/LD plus JSON, and plan to inject it into the head or footer for consistent output. Now you implement the JSON LD into WordPress. If editing theme files, paste the script block into header. PHP before /head, make sure you edit a child theme, or, in functions, PHP, hook a function to WP head that echoes the JSON LD string safely using WP JSON encode to avoid manual escaping. Make sure to only output the FAQ on pages that need it. Conditionally check is page or a custom field so you don't bloat every page. Finish by validating and troubleshooting the schema. Run Google's rich results test on the page URL and correct any JSON errors reported. Syntax mistakes or unescaped quotes are the usual culprits. If the schema still doesn't appear, purge your site cache and CDN and disable HTML minification temporarily because some optimizers remove script type blocks. Finally, make sure the FAQ is not blocked by robots. TXT and rerun the test after changes so Google can index the updated markup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.